welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Sarah and I'm here today with Sarah and Emily from the England women's hockey team. Now the England Hockey World Cup is coming up in July. It starts on the 21st and these two are on the team. So can you tell us a bit about how you both got into it and just about the role you play in the team?
I started playing hockey when I was about 7 years old. I got into the sport because I used to go and watch my mum play hockey. So I'd go and watch her every weekend, and I suppose it was probably always going to happen that I'd play the sport that my mum did.
Yeah, so mine's similar. I started when I was about 8 or 9, and basically I just wanted to be like my brother when I was little, so he played at Surbiton Hockey Club. So I went down there one summer and just tried one of the camps and fell in love, loved the sport, loved being part of a team, being able to train with my teammates every day, like Emily says, is fantastic.
And so in the Rio Olympics, obviously the GB team won gold. So do you think you can win this year in the World Cup?
I think that's what we want to do, isn't it? Yeah, like we work really hard every day for tournaments like a home World Cup. And hopefully, fingers crossed, all the hard work will pay off.
We've got all our fans coming to watch us, everyone filling the stands. That's that extra thing we need that will be able to help us to hopefully win.
Okay, so for people that don't know much about hockey, we have looked up and Googled and seen the most Googled questions about hockey. So you can fill us in so everyone knows what it's all about. Right, so how long does the game of hockey last?
That's a good
very good question, actually.
So at international level, we play 60 minutes and it's split into quarters of 15 minutes with a 2-minute break after each quarter, but there's a main half time, like normal. Yeah. So after 2 quarters, there's a 10-minute break. But if you play at club level or at schools, then it will just be 2 35-minute halves.
Do hockey players wear mouth guards?
Yes.
We do, yes. It was last September, playing in the training session out here, got hit in the mouth by a stick. Luckily I was wearing my gum shield, but I lost 2 bottom teeth.
No.
Yeah. So split my lip open, but because I was wearing a top gum shield, I kept all of my other teeth. If I wasn't wearing a top gum shield, apparently I would have lost a lot more teeth.
So does hockey have an offside rule?
No.
Not at all.
It's a very exciting, fast game, so I think that helps not having an offside rule.
Does hockey have lefty sticks?
No, not at all. So all sticks, whether you're right-handed or left-handed, you always have your top hand on your left hand on your top of your stick, and your right hand halfway down your stick. All sticks are exactly the same, whether you're right-handed or left-handed.
So you two are a team together, and you've known each other for years, and you're really good friends. So now we're going to play Most Likely To. I almost forgot the name. Most Likely To. Right, so the aim of the game is we're going to say something, give you a scenario, and you have to say who is most likely to do that thing, whether it's you or the other person. Alright, so first one. Who is most likely to trip over their hockey stick? You've done this,
Well, it's something I would do.
She's very limmy, she's got long legs and she's just a bit of a Bambi.
Who is most likely to sulk if they had a bad performance?
Yeah, I'd hope that. I don't know.
Yeah, in the World Cup, then you see some grumpy faces if you don't do well. Hopefully there won't be any. It'll be really good. Who is most likely to forget their kit?
We're both quite organised.
Yeah. A little bit.
You're the least organised, okay. Who is most likely to be caught daydreaming during the pre-game pep talk?
Did you say
Don't show the coach or anything.
Who is most likely to wake up late?
Yeah. She's an early riser.
She sleeps like.
Who is most likely to get the giggles during training? I feel like it's you already.
We play at club together as well, and she's always getting told off by our club coach.
And who is most likely to name their hockey stick? Have either of your sticks got names?
No.
Why don't you come up with a name now?
Okay. I was going to go Marvin.
Oh, Marvin, yeah.
So Marvin and Molly.
No, hers is a Mercy and Brad,
yeah.
so mine's a Griffin, so mine could be Jeannie.
Jeannie, there you go.
So
Jeannie and Marvin.
Jeannie and Marvin. There we go. Six names. Thank you so much, guys, for speaking to us today, and good luck in the Hockey World Cup. Starts on the 21st of July. Everybody check it out, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye.